On March 17th in the year 2000, over 900 members of a Ugandan cult known as the Movement for the Restoration of the Ten Commandments were burned to death. The cult was started by Cradonia Mwerinde, a former bartender and a sex worker, and Joseph Kibwetere, an ex-government employee, in 1989. The cult was led by the vision of Mary, Mother of Jesus. Inside the church, the Ten Commandments were strictly followed as sex and soap were forbidden. Fasting was regular, with only one meal given to the believers on Mondays and Friday. On the day that the massacre occurred, the cult members believed that the world will come at an end in the turn of the millennium. They locked themselves inside the church with the doors and windows nailed and shut outside the church. The church was then set on fire, killing every person inside it. Over 900 members were reported to have lost their lives during the tragedy. The cult leaders, Cradonia and Joseph, who survived the tragedy, were never seen till date. Thank you for watching Everything African by Victor. Please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.